In this module of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to add channels to an existing team in Microsoft Teams. So here we have Microsoft Teams for workplace or education, and under Teams I have the distance education team. We click on it, and then notice by default on any of the teams, typically you'll have this general channel. A channel is just a way to post announcements, to hold meetings, or share updates, or find files and information for a specific area. This is basically a specific area within a larger team. For example, here we have distance education, but then another channel within distance education could be course development. So to create a new channel, we go to distance education, click on the three dots here, the configuration for more options, and then we click on Add a Channel. Next, we give it a name. And here under Privacy, you can customize this so that only specific teammates have access to it, or it's shared for all the members of your team, or it can be also available to the organization. If you want all the members of the team to have access, you can select to automatically show this in everyone's channel list, and then click on Add. From here, under the development channel, we can have a new conversation with the team members, and it will aggregate the files that you want to make available to the team members, either from the conversations or by you simply uploading the files and linking and making them available related to course development. Or you as a team organizer, you can add additional tabs for the team members to be able to access as part of this channel. So let's say we want here to have one note. We simply select it and press Save. Under the channel that we created a moment ago, notice that we have additional options. We can get notifications for all the activity or just some of the notifications, or turn the notifications off. We can select to manage the channel. We can also invite someone else to participate in this channel. We can get a direct link to the channel and further modify it or add other connectors related to this channel. If we select here to manage this channel, notice there are additional permissions that we can apply, such as the channel moderation. We can turn on and off moderating the discussion within the channel, and whether you want to allow guests to make new posts. Further on, you can check under Analytics and the engagement of the participants within this channel for a particular time frame. So, like we did in the general channel for distance education, here we can start separate conversations just for the individuals and the topic of course development. You can select to attach files, very similar to how we did earlier. You can use Teams, channels, or the OneDrive, or upload it from the computer, and then post it to the channel. Now, to reply to one of those posts within the channel, you simply type reply here, and then hit enter or press send. You can create as many channels as you want within a team, and think of the channels as just a narrower virtual space for a particular team or a smaller team to collaborate and keep track of all their communications. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.